Welcome back to DeltaPi. In this fourth episode, I'll show you how to create a free chatbot that's faster than ChatGPT, using Gradio for the interface and Groq's free API with either Mixtral or Llama as the LLM. In just 1 minute and with a few lines of code, you'll be able to create your own AI chatbot. It's incredibly powerful and it can compete with GPT-4. Let's get started. First, we import Gradio, and from Groq, we import the Groq client to power our assistant's intelligence. We need to set up the client using an API key, which you can obtain by registering on the Groq Cloud website. We define the predict function by setting up the chat history. This allows our chatbot to have a context during conversations. Then, we send the prompt and the history to Groq, choosing between the Mixtral or Llama models, both of which are very strong. Next, we receive the assistant's response. And now, the most exciting part, we launch the app. We need to install Gradio and Groq via pip. Now we can run and try our Python app, and there you have it. You've created a free AI chatbot faster than ChatGPT. Of course, if you prefer, you can modify the code to use the OpenAI API and implement ChatGPT as your chatbot's AI. Don't forget to hit that follow button to stay updated with more AI insights and tutorials. I'll see you next time on DeltaPi.